like a little and shiny. So we done with that, man. Remember, all the shiny around town.
Do still. A king did done give me a talk. You know what I mean? I mean, they give him a talk too.
School, man. That's a fact.
My bro. Oh, no, brother. Yeah, I know quick. You know, so I'm forward on the ground and show myself. I'm back running with the police. I don't feel style that. Which me did know still, you know. At the end of the day, them are police. I know we don't really trust them.
So you believe that?
I don't really have no reason right now for disbelief it, you know. Police are no police. But it's the same type of character. You can understand.
That's how you were going on. Where am I pre, you know? And I have nothing to do with this. Family affair, I'm still up on it.
Like they know that.
Quick. Nothing could pass that stage already, bad man. We left that over a cemetery.
You think it did that too?
All what go on, you know. We just know say me have a piece of food, we give him because
You know something, brother? Let me just fix this right now. Clearly you don't have the right idea, you know. It's the same way how you look on Karim and I say, good youth, and you want to see the best for him. And the same thing with me. Same way you advise him in a life. If you avoid certain problem, and the same thing with me. So you build him in a business, that's where the money come in. And a loan me give, me drop the money in business, brother. That's all it's about. It's not a loan. I don't want you pre me with it. Just know say the two away. I have good intentions to the youth. Right now, I want to tell you. Now you should have talked about the youth we are trying to start him around there. We don't want to talk about.
Miss Restaurant. This is quite an unexpected but pleasant surprise. So tell me, what brings you to this neck of the woods?
It's a pleasure seeing you too, King. The other day we left so sudden after talking about collaborating, you know, getting things together for the young ladies. Special projects. Can we talk privately?
Of course, by all means. Come please. Have a seat. Have a seat. Would you like something to drink?
No, I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay, so tell me what gave you?
Before I get into the details of the collaboration, Mr. King, there is something that I need to clear the air about.
Really?
You know that I'm a part of the force. And being a part of a special area of the force, I have to do my due diligence. And I did my research on you.
Really? And what did you find?
How you say a while ago? Extort who?
That me I try to tell you. So right now, we need to work on this. Here at our work. If him deal with it, him gone right back a square one, brother. So better you find out from him which part of you there. And then hold back the blocks. And make me go mash up the blocks.